Hey guys, so it's like 7:30 a.m. on a Saturday and I'm currently walking to meet my friends to go to Chicago. So why am I going to Chicago? It's because I want to study. But why would I have to go to Chicago to study, right? A lot of my friends have been asking me that. This is something I started doing back home with my dad. My dad and I are really similar. We both like the city and we both can't concentrate when we're at home. So my dad would often take me into the city, find like a library or a coffee shop, and that'd be like our awkward introvert bonding time between father and son. I really like it because going into the city to study feels like an adventure. It breaks up the monotony of week-to-week life in school. But also, taking that much effort and time to get somewhere to study, I think reduces the chances of me procrastinating. I was actually supposed to meet up with two of my friends like an hour ago to catch the 7 a.m. train, but I woke up at like 6:50. So I feel bad, that's on me. But luckily there's an 8 a.m. train, so I'm on my way to catch that with my friends right now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hi.
So these are my wonderful friends that understood that I slept in. Phoebe,
Hi.
John, Big Brain John, Big Brain Phoebe.
Well, I'm just Phoebe.
No, I'm Smooth Brain Josh.
Yo.
Tip message.
Say hi.
안녕하세요.
Hi, 안녕하세요.
How? So we are studying over there in Blue Bottle Coffee because Phoebe recommended Blue Bottle Coffee. So that's where we're trying. Phoebe, how did you hear about Blue Bottle Coffee?
I saw it on Instagram.
Ah. This view, so nice. This view, so nice. John, no. I'm buying it for you. Oh, iced coffee, Phoebe. This is my heart for John.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're on a date and I'm just here.
Your third
Not
feeling?
you. Is it good?
It tastes like dark chocolate.
Oh, really?
Okay. How much do you guys want some?
Can I try a bite?
Yeah. Wait, should I do pitchfork bifurcation?
Oh my god. Try dipping it.
In the hot chocolate?
Like croissant. I'm pretty sure they do that in France.
France. France. Here, Phoebe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm not watching, sorry.
Mmm.
Do you guys watch Ratatouille?
Oh, we don't bash me for it.
You didn't watch it?
I have watched it. Are you proud of me?
Yeah, I'm so
I finally
proud of
watched
you.
something.
Dude, you can tell how good the bread is by the sound it makes.
Oh, I remember that.
You remember that scene?
From Ratatouille?
Yeah. You didn't watch Ratatouille then, if you don't remember that.
It was like 7 years ago.
Excuses,
Dude, Ratatouille is so good. You need to either rewatch it or...
Yeah, you can't say anything to me. we finished studying at I hate vlogging, but we're done studying and we're at a ramen place in Chicago because I've never had ramen that's not instant ramen. So here we are.
We will be enlightened today.
Enlightened today, but the lo-fi vibes.
Like, this is the music I studied to.
Really? I can't focus.
Oh, really? I do like the K-pop piano.
Oh, me too.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I miss spoon.
My first bite of actual ramen.
There.
I like instant better.
What? Gosh.
Maybe I'm just not used to it. Maybe I need to.
Maybe try that one. Yeah.
This meat is so good though. So soft. I'm happy. I'm gonna put this here real quick.
Oh, sorry.
Oh gosh. It tastes like, I feel like I can taste patty cake.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're back in Evanston. It's only like 3 p.m., right?
Yep. 3 p.m.
So, you see, you can still have fun in the city, and then come back to have enough time to work some
Eat
more.
Oreos.
Eat Oreos.
But not dark chocolate Oreos.
No.
Oh.
No.
Dark chocolate Oreos.
Don't listen to
I'm gonna
them.
convert
Don't-
all of you guys to dark
No.
chocolate Oreos.
But hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog of studying. And
Like, comment, and subscribe.
if you liked it, if you didn't like it, dislike
Thumbs
it. But thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.